Welcome to the Building Your Own Desktop Web Trader tutorial, where you will learn how to create your own customized desktop. Create a new workspace by clicking on Create New and ensure to give it a name. In order to pin the desktop to the bottom line, click on Pin Page and your new desktop will appear next to the pre-populated workspaces. Navigate to Edit and then Add Widget, where you will have the facility to choose which windows you would like to display in your desktop. Simply click on the windows that are relevant to you. By choosing the Index window, it is possible to add an index overview window that you would like to keep an extra eye on. Simply type in the relevant index and save. The index window of your choice will open and be added to your desktop. Continue to add further widgets by selecting Add Widget. By choosing the focus window, you will be able to select an instrument. The focus window is also known as the instrument window, and all you need to do is simply type in the instrument, then save, and the window will once again appear within your desktop. Drag and drop a window anywhere within the desktop to customize your space further. Add a chart by choosing the relevant widget and select if you would like volume bars to be displayed within your chart or not. This can always be amended at a later point. When Financial Calendar is selected, your options are to choose between a specific instrument or a region. Your financial calendar allows you to see all upcoming events for either the specific instrument or region. News available within Web Trader is either All Available News, which will show you all the news available to you according to your subscriptions, or for a specific symbol, which will show you all news regarding that selected symbol. If you have created your own watch list, you can add this by selecting Watch List and view all news related to the instruments within that list. By choosing the Watch List widget, you will have the option to choose between 5 different layouts. An example of what is displayed is shown within the table layouts. You do have the facility to further customize your layout at a later stage. Select the Order Book widget and choose which symbol's order book you would like to view. Once again, you can control what you want to see. Choose how many levels of the order book you would like to display, with a maximum of 20, according to your own subscriptions and specific restrictions on various feeds. Add the Latest Trades widget and search for a specific instrument, and a window with all the latest trades are displayed. Add the Heat Map widget and select whether the heat map is to be added to a chain or if the heat map should be linked to a specific watch list. Chains are predefined lists that Infront has created, defined by the market you choose. The watch list option will only be available when you have a watch list set up. Once you have chosen chains, then select the market you want it to be linked to. It is possible to add as many windows as you would like and extend the screen as wide as you would like. You can drag your windows back and forth and customize the size of the windows to suit your needs. Once you are happy with your desktop, click Save. You will notice that many of the windows are currently empty, and it is at this point you will need to add instruments and selections that you would like to view. Start by adding any instrument to the chart. You can add a second instrument to gain a direct visual comparison. Within the chart, it is possible to change which type of chart you would like, such as line, area, candlestick, or bar. It is also possible to change the time frame and resolution from daily, weekly, and monthly. You can also add several different indicators to help you analyze and compare, such as simple moving average, MACD, or volatility. Within the financial calendar, choose which region that you would like to view the upcoming corporate events. It is possible to select which region you would like to display the news from, but also have the facility to select which sources you would like to receive the news in accordance to your personal subscriptions. Click on Toggle All to select all the news sources within a specific region, and finalize by pressing OK. To customize your watch list, click on the arrow in the top left corner and click on Add List. Create a name for your watch list and then start to add the instruments that are important to you. It is possible to add instruments from various regions and sectors. If you now decide to vary the layout of your watch list, click on the Settings cog in the top right corner and select the columns that you would like displayed. Then use the arrows in the middle to add. To adjust the column's order, simply drag and drop items into the order that you require. It is also possible to remove columns by selecting the column you would like removed, and then click the middle arrow to return it back to the available columns. Once you are happy with your column items in order, click Close, and the displayed columns will be automatically updated. Should you have any further questions, be sure to contact your broker directly. Now you are set to quickly discover, analyze, and trade on market data, and be sure to watch the additional WebTrader tutorials to learn more.